Hi friends, welcome to Kaliyona. Thank you for your interest to learn Kannada. In this video, we will see how we call different flowers in Kannada.
This is the detailed course structure and today we will focus on the market items. If you're watching this video on YouTube, please visit our website kaliyona.com. To support the learning, we do have interactive quizzes and discussions. Upon successful completion, you would also be receiving course completion certificate. Flowers,
ಹೂವುಗಳು ಹೂವುಗಳು
jasmine,
ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ
rose,
ಗುಲಾಬಿ ಗುಲಾಬಿ
lotus,
ಕಮಲ ಕಮಲ
coral jasmine,
ಪಾರಿಜಾತ ಪಾರಿಜಾತ
champa,
ಸಂಪಿಗೆ ಸಂಪಿಗೆ
hibiscus,
ದಾಸವಾಳ ದಾಸವಾಳ
marigold,
ಚೆಂಡು ಹೂವ ಚೆಂಡು ಹೂವ
sunflower.
ಸೂರ್ಯಕಾಂತಿ ಸೂರ್ಯಕಾಂತಿ
Now let us see how to use these in sentences. That is a champa tree.
ಅದು ಸಂಪಿಗೆ ಮರ ಅದು ಸಂಪಿಗೆ ಮರ
This is a red rose.
ಇದು ಕೆಂಪು ಗುಲಾಬಿ ಇದು ಕೆಂಪು ಗುಲಾಬಿ
Jasmine looks good.
ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೂವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೂವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ
See that lotus.
ಕಮಲದ ಹೂವು ನೋಡು ಕಮಲದ ಹೂವು ನೋಡು
So this was all about the market items. In our next video, let us learn about days of the week in Kannada. Thank you.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and do leave your comments below. Do not forget to share this video with your friends.